What's up, guys? Logan back with another video today, and today's actually a double upload. I did the diffuser a little bit earlier today, but today I'm going to be putting my exhaust fully back on. I have a little muffler that I'm going to throw on since my car is straight piped and super duper loud. I'll show you that right now, and then I have my other pipes. It'll be coming out and sticking out a little bit far, but I mean, we'll be all right. So yeah, I just went over and bought that at the store now, and then I went over and got my wheel paint too. So I'll have my wheels painted sometime soon, hopefully. If it does not rain tomorrow, I'll have another video up tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you the muffler that I just went and bought, and then we'll throw that on. So that's the muffler I went and bought right now. It's just something small. I didn't want something super big, so I just went and bought that so I could get inspected and get easier inspected. And then we have this that I welded up. Not the greatest, but there's no holes or anything in it, so I mean, it's not bad. So we're gonna throw that on. That was actually my first time welding, and then I actually did decent around these two. Not too bad, but yeah, we'll throw these on, and I'll let you know how it goes. We'll actually probably let you guys see it for a little bit, and then after we'll see how it sounds. Actually, so we are going to get a clip before and then after. So let me grab my keys here quick, and we'll get a before. I won't rev it because yeah, it's a little loud. Right now, so I'm gonna throw that muffler on quick, and then we'll see how it sounds. All right, so I went ahead and took off the old piece. That was what's there before, so yeah, not very good. I'm going to throw that on and throw this on here, and then I'll get back to you here real quick. So a little update on the video. Well, we got the cherry bomb on my muffler, but I kind of screwed up here because I didn't have long enough pipe, so I went and bought a longer pipe. And for the other part of my exhaust, actual piping, and it's too long, so my buddy Drew is going to come over and we're going to cut that up, put it on, and I'm hoping it sticks out from the bumper because I actually want it to stick out and stuff. And I went and bought all the piping and clamps and everything, and I also bought my wheel paint. If I already told you, I'm sorry, but yeah, I bought that. So I'm gonna have to I'm waiting for Drew right now, and then we're gonna cut that up, and then I'll let you see it once it's fully piped up. All right, so I just got the pipe all done. I will actually show you that right now. And then because my buddy Drew came by, helped me out a lot, I'm gonna have to weld the muffler in there for a little bit, but just do a couple tack welds or whatever. But yeah, I mean, I have to do that, but other than that, I mean, she's good. There's no other leaks. I painted everything with a black, like, Rust-Oleum stuff so it wouldn't rust. And yeah, this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like right there, kind of like a factory-ish thing. I kind of like how it's black right there. But when you come underneath here, spray painted it all black there. There's the muffler right there. So I did everything there. So she's black from right there all the way out over here. And now we will let you hear it. It'll be a warm start, but we'll let you hear it right here. Which honestly, muffler on it. Well, it's pretty much a resonator because it helps get rid of all the other stuff, like the raspiness and everything. But I honestly like it. It's not too loud at idle and everything. So, I mean, yeah, we will give you some revs once it's actually welded up and everything. But, yeah, that is actually everything right here. But hold up, let me talk to you guys for a minute. All right, guys, so that will actually be the video today. If you like it, go down, like it, subscribe if you'd like to. Please actually try to share it with your friends too, trying to get it out there. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much about it today. This is my double upload for today, and just let me know how you like it. And that's pretty much all I ask for you, is to like, subscribe, and share if you really want to. And just remember, you know, always stay blessed, and I'm out.